Good afternoon, this is Rivqyah at Rivqyah's Craft Corner, and today I am doing an unboxing. This one is exciting to me because this is my mystery diamond painting. And in this mystery diamond painting, just give me a moment, I have to pull out some stuff. I think this is my ever moment. Where's that little thing here? Ha ha ha. I knew it. I knew it. Sorry, guys. Okay, first off, this is my Ever Moment Mystery Diamond painting. This one is from Cherri, because that is who my partner is. And it's a 60 by 80. I have no clue what it is. I had my husband tape it and get it ready for me. This is a big canvas, very big, and true to size. Most of the time, anything from Ever Moment is true to size. So, looking for something that I just misplaced. Not happy with myself yet. I found it. So you want to know if it's true to size? It's true to size. I know that for a fact because I have another Ever Moment. Yeah. 60 by 80. Big time. Yep, it says 60 by 80, guys. Wasn't joking. So it's a 60 by 80. I'm going to lift this up just a tad and hope that this really shows off all of it. Now, what you get in an Ever Moment, you get it in a nice box that says Ever Moment, and I took it out of the Ever Moment because I had to for the mystery diamond painting. But this is the one that it came out of. I even did it online with someone. There is my Ever Moment, and look at that cute little bow. And that's how big this diamond painting is. And I received in it a gift of washi tape. It's a reddish, I think it's a reddish or a pinkish color. So that'll be kind of cool. And in this, you receive a squishy, or two squishies, or one squishy. I don't like to use the squishies because I use something else, but just give me a moment. You get, just let me pull this off. Oh boy, can't take it off. Oh, you normally can. Okay, come on, come on. Nope, it's not letting me take it off. Not sure if it's glued on. Don't know. Oh, it's finally going. I can hear it. It's coming down. It's coming down, guys. It might be a whole squishy. And I've never seen anything like this one before. Nope, not doing it on the canvas. Okay. Come on. Yes, the struggle is real, guys. Oh, it is two squishies together. That's weird. It was two squishies together and really tight at that. So, it was two squishies together. So you get two squishies. See? They usually put them on the drill pin. Here's your drill pin. And it has a 3-placer on it. And they give you, just give me a moment to find it. They give you a 6-placer, I believe this is. So, you get that and that, and you get 4 waxes. It's 2 waxes, but when you cut it, you get 4. You get a very sharp tweezers. And I'm not kidding when I say sharp. Very sharp. it does stick you. And you get a nice little boat here. Oh, and I love this side right here. And I don't know why I love this side, but I think it's pretty cool. And I love their boats. They're pretty cool. So, that's what you get in your package. You get all this. And you do get baggies. I'm not sure where I put the baggies, but you do get quite a bit of baggies. I'm not sure where I put it though. But you do get quite a bit of baggies. If I can look real quickly, I might be able to find the baggies. I'm not sure. Guys, I don't know where I put the baggies. I apologize. But like I said, I just moved into this this room. So, here you go. I'm going to show you the whole canvas. My husband did all this work right here. Sorry. All that work. Come on. Focus. Come on. You can focus on me. Come on. Come on. That's more like it. And then you go up to about here. And over that way. And over that way. And up to there. And back down to here. So this is my canvas, guys. A very big canvas. I can't do the stickiness to let you know how sticky it is. It is an Ever Moment. It is a very decent canvas. Sorry about that. And the drills. Talk about how many drills I got. I have not opened these. I wanted to do this as I do this. So, the drills. It comes in 3 packages. And this is how many drills is in here. Hold a second. That's the drills. Here's all my drills. I haven't kit this up yet. Haven't decided where I'm going to kit it in. I might kit this one up in my, just give me a moment and I'll go pull it up. It's I can't think of it, but I know what one I'm thinking of. And I haven't done a kitting up video of it yet. But time for us to do the drills. Boy, drills. Lots of drills. Fun drills. So, they do give me the drill sheet, inventory sheet, and I'll go get that real quick. There's a lot of drills. A lot of drills. Okay. And I might bling it up. I'm not sure. Depends if I have the blinging up stuff to bling it up. But I might bling it up. So we have the 3756, which is a greenish white. We have the 3822, which is a yellowish color. And 3854, which is a orangish yellow color. And 3865, we know, is a white, like an off-white or that type of color. And then we have 945, which is a apricot kind of color, I think. And then we have 3843, which is a blue color, like a sea blue, like a greenish blue. Very nice drills too. 3844, which is another greenish blue color. 827, which is a grayish green in my book color. 823, which is a light yellow color. 310. Oh boy. Okay, well, I'm not going to be living the 310 life, but I have a pretty nice amount for 310. Wouldn't you agree? I have 5 of these bags, which is equal to 1,000 each. So there's quite a bit there. And 318 is a gray color. And 754, which is a yellow color. And 796, which is a blue, dark blue color. And 799, which is a grayish blue color. Sorry, I'm trying to bring it up for you guys to see. I'll be living this color. I'll be living the 996 color. Woohoo! Look at how many I have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need to put you over here so you can see it. 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 of these. Wow. I'll be definitely living that color. And then there is the 809, which is a light blue color. Then there's a 3845, which is about 200 of these, so 800 of these, which isn't too bad. And then there's 3844, which is a very beautiful turquoise color. Then there is 910, which is a green color. Very nice drills, by the way. 562, which is a lighter green color. And lime color is 704. That's a lime. And 827. I think I had 827. I'm not sure. And 945, which is a skin color almost. 739 is almost like a skin color in my book. And 905 is a kind of reminds me of military green color. Oh, this is a deep, rich purple. It's 550. That's a deep, rich purple. And guess what, guys? Guess what? I have a deep, rich purple. I think I'm going to use that deep, rich purple and put those in. What do you think? That's going to be exciting. 3865. I know I've heard that one. 3865. So there's more of 3865. And I think 38. So there's 3865. I'll put that over there. 3832. I think I already gave that color to. Yep. These are the singletons that goes with it. Now there's a violet purple, which is a 208. Oh yeah, 208. I think. Yeah, 208. 318. Already have. Don't remember this color. So this is new. 3766, which is a very nice color. And here's another one that's going to be a big amount of colors. 820, guys. 820. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'll be living the 820 life too. This is going to be an interesting setup. So that's 820. That's pretty cool. So this is 3823. And this is 890. I don't think I did 890 yet. So that's 890. It's not much there. And this is a 938, which is a brown. And there's 2 of them. And there's 413. I'm not sure what color this is. Gray, maybe? And then there is 796. That'll be very interesting. And then there's 581, which is a greenish color. I'm thinking this is 796. I think I did 796. I think these two go together. So that's 796. Yep, 2 of them. And then 174. Nope, that's not it. Nope, this is the only one. 741. That's 740. And that's 741. So we got 3 of these. 742. Oh, 4 of these. 742. That's a pretty color. 740. 2 of those, because I didn't see them. 720, which is a an off orangish red color. There's a lot of orange colors in here. And there's 3822, which is right here, already done. And 712, there's this many. And I don't remember saying 7, nope. 712, which is a, I'm not sure, it's like a yellowish white color. This one is 827, and 827 we already have. This one's 3854, we got that. This one is 3033. I don't think I had 3033. This might be 3033. And that one, I'm not sure the color. Guys, I need your help on this. I think this is a beige. This one is 3756, which is a very pretty color. So I'm thinking that's the white in this stuff. This one is 809. Now I know I have 809, which is this one right here. So these go together. But this is a biggie. And there's even more. I'm gonna be busy with it. Yep, that's a biggie. Big one. That has more than even the blues. 712. I got another 712 there. And then we got 820. Now, 820 is right here. And 995. Now, 995. Oh my word, there's even more 995s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, guys. 15 995s. I think this is the one I'll be working on the most. 995. 995. Big time 995s. So this is gonna be fun though. And 798. I think that's 798, isn't it? No, that's 799. So 798, I don't have extra pieces, so I think the 798 is by itself. The 799 is together with this one. Then we have a 807. And then we have 162, which is a greenish color. I think this is going to be filled with quite a bit of greens. And then there's 823, and I think this is a dark blue. 823s is one of my other favorite colors. So out of all of them, there's some very pretty colors here. And this one is 162, goes there. 83, no, 83 is by itself. 37, 914. Give me a moment while I put this in order so you guys can kind of see the colors. But the 550, I can see myself using a couple different sparklers. 938 is right here. Sorry guys, I'm getting everything organized here. And this one's 3808, which is a dark green color. I mean dark green. And then 890 is that color, which is a darker green color. And this is like a light green color. And this is like a peachy color. This is peach in my book, like a peachy red color. And this is 799, which is 796. Yep, that one goes with that one. This yellowish color of 745. This one is, sorry, I'm just getting everything in order here. So we got them all pretty much in order, and I'll show you all the different colors. Sorry, I put that there so you guys could see I had a 505 and 701. So of all this is going to be a fun one. She really has outdone herself on this one. She really has. Wow. Okay, so here we go. These are all the colors. I'm going to let you see all the way down to there. Show. All the way to there. Over to there. All the way down. And all the way up to there. Those are my colors. So 995 will be one I'll be working a lot on. 996 will be one I'll be working on quite a bit on. And then 820 I'll be working on quite a bit on. I'm going to be in the blues, guys. I'm going to be in the blues. That's my favorite color, and I'll be working in the blues. So, I do have an inventory sheet, but it does not show any picture on it. And from what my diamond painting mystery diamond painter said, this is a custom. So I have no clue what she got me. None whatsoever. So this is going to be fun. Well, this is Rivqyah signing out. Adieu. Please give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Please subscribe if you have not yet. Please ring the bell so you know when I upload another video. And last but not least, please comment and let me know how I'm doing. Many blessings and shalom.